our car wash. It is March 31st, 2018. The guys are washing this car. This is our second car wash. Mr. Miller's washing the car. Hey, this is Belle.
SOS. The baddest community watching, well, I can say the baddest community watching man, but one of the baddest. Big shout out to Face Place. Palm Beach County. We are a family. Come get your car washed. We out here washing the mess out of these cars right here. You see this? This right here is what you call washing the mess out of it. Not just washing it, but washing the mess out of it. You know? Also join SOS Marching Band.
All right. The guys working hard out here. They working hard. They working hard. That's my husband working hard, washing cars for SOS. We are live. This is Ms.Rosie. We got hot dogs and chips and drinks across the street.
Hey, Zub.